Hello to my YouTube family. So today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I removed all of the red out of this wig using dish detergent, clarifying shampoo, and baking soda. So it's a pretty easy process. You just basically mix them all three together with hot water and just continuously dip your wig into the water or your colored hair into the water until all the color fades out. And I probably did this at least 6 or more times. It took me maybe 5 hours to get all of the red out. Also, I would suggest that you boil hot water and then pour the water into the sink and do it that way. It would move much faster versus using just hot water from your sink. Okay, you guys, I'm not going to talk much during this video, so just stay tuned and watch what I'm doing. It's a pretty easy process, like I said before. If you have any questions, just comment below. Thank you so much. So here on this part, I ran out of the clarifying shampoo and the baking soda, so I had to improvise and use neutralizing shampoo. And don't judge me, y'all, but I used some Ajax, and it worked really well. It didn't damage my hair or anything. So you guys just make sure you have enough baking soda and don't be like me. So now I'm done dipping it, and I'm going to use my Olaplex conditioner and my Shimmer Lights conditioner, mix them all together, and I'm going to just let my hair sit in that mixture for at least 30 minutes. So here's how the wig is looking once I got all that red out and conditioned it with the shimmer lights. And here it is dry. And I'm going to tone this hair. And if you guys would like a video on how I achieved the look, comment below. And here's the finished product. It's really cute. Did not damage my hair. My hair is still silky using raw Cambodian. And here I am wearing it out.